everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. So here I am at the Goodwill and we're going to be doing a shop with me, so let's get started, guys. If this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video and I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for you returning subscribers, I just want to tell you how much I appreciate you from the bottom of my heart. Now always remember that every time you click the like button and full watch a video, even share the video, this helps me to grow. And commenting below just lets me know how you're enjoying the video. Now when you get a moment, head on over to the community tab where there you're going to find the calendar of collaborations for all of you to enjoy. So I hope you enjoyed the shopping trip as much as I enjoy showing you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one.